with Mr. Mustafa. He's a Pigeon Association Federation in Ankara for all the birds, and we are having today is the bird show, pigeon show for the only Turkish pigeons in Ankara. Now they have 7 kind of pigeons. Mr. Mustafa, can you tell me what kind of pigeons you have for the show today?
This show is for Shabab. We call them as Shabab. Shabab is a special race for Turkey. We only show the Shababs here in this organization. Only Shababs. And I want to tell you the kinds of the Shababs. If you want, I can tell you the names of the Shababs. Shabab is the general name. And Miski, Kürenk, Çakmaklı, Gök, and Arap.
Okay. So now today, last night you told me that you make this last night the judging for the final. Why you do it at night time? Why not in the morning? Because the birds are sleeping night time. I don't know why you do it at the night time, the judging, and also with the closed door, not on public. Why?
Because the places which we do the organization are not very suitable for this kind of organizations. This is a necessity to do this kind of places, the halls. Of course, we want to do it with big halls, with weak windows and the sunlights, but this is a necessity to do it in this kind of halls, the buildings. And night, why it is night? Because all the people from all over the Turkey comes to arrive to this place in the evening. So we must do the points or the other things at the night while they are sleeping. In the morning, we open it to the public, and all the people come to see the show pigeons in the morning and in the afternoon.
Okay. What about any people from outside of Turkey? They participate of this, or only Turkey people? Only Turkey pigeons, the breeders.
No, not only Turkey. Today, for example, we have guests from Saudi Arabia and you from Bahrain, from Europe countries, from Germany, from Sweden, from France, from England. So